Hello viewers, this is Aravindar. Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see Bangalore Advocates Association asks Chief Justice of India to consider appointment of Karnataka High Court lawyers as judges of Supreme Court. The association also said that there is no constitutional mandate providing for appointment of Supreme Court lawyers as High Court judges as proposed by the Supreme Court Bar Association. For more information, we shall move to inside the video. I kindly request to all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. The Advocate Association Bangalore AAB has written to Chief Justice of India to consider the elevation of lawyers from the Karnataka Bar directly as judges of the Supreme Court. The letter by the President of Advocate Association Bangalore AP Ranganatha came after the Supreme Court Bar Association on June 8 claimed that Chief Justice of India had agreed to the proposal by the SCBA to consider advocates practicing before the Supreme Court for elevation as judges of high courts. Chief Justice of India's office, though, had denied assenting to the proposal. The letter by the President of the Advocates Association Bangalore, AP Ranganatha, stated that as per the constitutional mandate under Article 124 and various judgments of the Supreme Court, members of the bar practicing in various high courts of the country are entitled to be considered for appointment as judges of the Supreme Court. This is a matter which is perhaps lost sight of by the Supreme Court so far, the letter said. Drawing from personal experience, Ranganatha said that there are many advocates practicing before the Karnataka High Court as well as other high courts who possesses requisite eligibility, exemplary legal acumen, integrity and temperament to be elevated as judges of the Supreme Court. These highly qualified and distinguished lawyers have lost an opportunity from being considered to be elevated as judges of the Honorable Supreme Court, although constitutional provisions provide for such a consideration. The lawyers from the High Court, having vast experience in every field of law, having distinguished themselves with their ability, contribution to the development of law, and impeccable services as officers of the court, ought to be considered to be elevated as judges of the Honorable Supreme Court, he urged. He therefore requested to Chief Justice of India to take into consideration the constitutional provision and consider members of the bar practicing before the Karnataka High Court for elevation to the Supreme Court. However, he also said that there is no constitutional mandate providing for appointment of Supreme Court lawyers as High Court judges as proposed by the SCBA. In this regard, he highlighted Article 217 of the Constitution, as per which only a lawyer who has 10 years practice before a High Court or 2 or more High Court in succession is qualified for appointment as High Court judge. The prerogative to appoint or recommend the appointment of judges to the High Court is vested in the Chief Justice of the High Court after consultation with the senior most judges of the High Court who form part of the collegium, he further said. Therefore, in what context and how there could be a possibility to appointment members of the Supreme Court bar as judges of the High Court, although they are not practicing in that High Court, is something that one cannot comprehend under the present scheme of things as laid down by the mandate of the Constitution and the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court. Perhaps it is impermissible in law as stated above to make such appointments. This is something for the valuable consideration of your lordship, the letter said. Hello viewers, from this video you'll know Advocates Association Bangalore ask Chief Justice of India to consider appointment of Karnataka High Court lawyers as judges of Supreme Court. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I request you to all the viewers to kindly subscribe this Aravindar Annai Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full. Once again, thank you very much.